Hello everyone, let's take a look at our next problem. Show that no number in the sequence 11, 111, 1111, and so on is a perfect square. Okay. My first instinct here is to write these things in terms of write it as a sum of powers of 10 and show that something must go wrong. Obviously, if one of these numbers is a perfect square, then it has to be the square of an odd number. So maybe if we make that, incorporate that assumption, we could get a contradiction of some sort. Not only does it have to be a number, but the last digit would have to be a 1 as well. Is that true? No. No. It could be a 9. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so the number 111 and so on, ending in a 1, this is a sum of 10 to the n, where n goes from 1 to capital N. And in fact, it goes from 0 to capital N. And let's suppose that this is equal to k squared. Well, k has to be odd. So then I have the sum 10 to the n, and going from 1 to capital N, is equal to 2m plus 1 squared. Like that. If I cancel a 1 from both sides, this gives me the sum as n goes from 1 to capital N of 10 to the n is equal to 4m squared plus 4m. And the left-hand side is not divisible by 4, is it? Right? If I consider this equation mod 4, then the left-hand side is 10, and the right-hand side is 0, mod 4, and this gives us a contradiction. So that says that we can't have this. I don't see anything else to say about this one. I think that's it. Writing that out, I guess wasn't necessarily the most important part of this. Identifying that the square number on the right-hand side has to be odd so that we can write it like this. That was important because it allowed us to have these factors of 4 here. And then I guess I'm not sure why, as soon as I wrote this down, I didn't immediately jump to thinking about this factor of 4, but there were some other things running through my head at the time. But then, once I realized the left-hand side, in this sum, every single one of these numbers is divisible by 4, except for the first one, except for 10. And so, of course, the whole thing is not divisible by 4. Pretty straightforward at the end once you put together a few of these steps. If I have any additional thoughts or if I've caught any mistakes, check the description. Thanks for watching.